Hey. So, thank you for those who've asked for a tutorial. Um, if you're receiving this, it means you've asked for the tutorial. So I'm just going to shoot it directly to you right here. So quite simply, just so you're aware, I'm on this middle plan here. All right. So I've actually paid for this. It's a great tool, 40 videos a month, that kind of stuff. I'm going to be editing this video here, but quite simply, you just need to upload your video first. So how do you upload your video? You click on this generate project here, you choose your video to upload, and then you rock and roll. So I've already done that because I didn't want to waste time watching it upload. So when you hover over it, there's two options. Or when it's done, there's three options, but when you first start, there's two options. When you upload it, it will take you straight there. But this one here, the scissors allows you to trim the captions, right? And so, I would just recommend you just do the video in one take and then upload it. So what you can do is straight up, you'll be able to clean the audio. So, right, so I'm just going to remove like these slow silences. Not really much taken there. So I might clean up the fast silences. So you can see how there's a line through here. That means those silences are taken out. If you
Hot
hit
take.
play,
Key to scaling your
so
business
you can see it
isn't
will just
more
cut in
effort,
between
better
each ones.
systems.
Just
And
ignore
how
the
do you know
captions there
what's
for now because by default it's going to choose one. Quite simply there. All right. Uh, you can also, what you can do is, for example, you can click on the word and you can remove that as well. So I'm just going to quickly do a quick scan. All right. What does it mean? You can also listen to it and play it
so when
as
you
well.
break that down
So
and
you
you
can see how
compartmentalize
the
each and
words
every
are
single of
going to
those
be played
key
across
areas,
to
you
make
would
sure that it sounds okay. So I'm just going to remove this one here. I'm going to remove key areas. What areas? Um, like me, and I'll remove here, remove that, and I'm pretty happy with that. Cool. If you've done multiple takes, you can simply hit the remove bad takes button and it'll remove those multiple takes that you've done. Okay. Alternatively as well, you can split the videos up down here manually, but I like text-based editing just because it's so much quicker and more efficient. Once you've done that, you can hit save, right? But I'm gonna go to edit captions now, which is next. All right. And here, quite simply, you can choose the style. So, in the premium, you got all these different styles. You can, uh, there's, it's categorized into first one speaker, two speakers. You can choose, emojis, what's trending right now, which is great. So, it's got that algorithm there. So I might give that one a go. What you can do is you can see the video there. So if you
hot
play it,
take.
you can just have a
Key
quick
to
look. I like to have larger style, so you can just simply make it larger there. And then you can, the Y position, according to the XY axis is up and down. So I'm just going to move it down a little bit. And then I forgot to mention, guys, if you click on this icon here, right, it will let you know like you can preview some of those key elements on the video to make sure that your text in the middle doesn't, hit those. All right. So I'll move it up a little bit. And so you can see how it's got all those elements there. You can choose the main color, the secondary color, and the third color.
scaling your business
So,
isn't more effort.
so oh, sorry, the text color is predominantly white there. The first highlight color is this. Second highlight color is this. I might change it to that, and then I might change it to green actually. Rock and roll from there. Cool. Once you select your theme, right, you come up here to captions, right, and this is where you can actually edit the actual words and highlight them if you wish to. All right. So hot take. If I select on that, I'm gonna make it green, right? So if I go back to the start, you'll see
Take. Key to scaling your business
that,
isn't more.
let's come back to the start here. Let's save it.
Hot take. Key.
That did make me look bad. but but yeah, you're able to highlight the different colors. So you can see here that's highlighted blue and then that's showing blue there. All right. So what I would encourage is maybe have like 3 to 4 lines in a sentence max, no more than 4 lines. And if you need to, you can split it into a new line, which I would encourage because you want to have it simple right? You want to have it large and you want to have it clear, right? So I'm going to go down here. You can see this one is better systems. Great. I'm happy with that. I think I saw compartmentalized with the American spelling. You know, client, your client, beautiful. I want to highlight these keywords. Client flow journey. I'm going to go green there, right? You can see it shows up. And what that means what does it look like from getting their attention. I'm going to highlight, right? Right through to getting them to re-sign. So not resign. I'm going to fix that spelling up. I want to pop this out because we want to highlight, everyone wants a client re-sign. So when you break that down, you compartmentalize S. So this one, I might add this one to a next line, split into a new line. This one here is fine. Compartmentalize. Great. Each and every single day. So if I come back here, I might make it a bit smaller just so we can that down.
Break that down and you compartmentalize.
Beautiful, compartmentalize. That's exactly what I want to fit the whole word on there. All right, let's go better system. While we're down here, systemize is American spelling, so I want Australian spelling there. So as we're doing this real time, it's really simple to see. All right, great. Resign, compartmentalize, create processes. Yep, processes. Know what to delegate, and if you're like me, what to automate. Beautiful, highlighted that. Scale your business. Business is, everyone has a business. I want to highlight that. So keywords that they're going to by doing less. Beautiful, great. I'm gonna choose the magic zoom option. So the magic zooms option allows it to zoom in and out automatically, which gives it that more of a, it keeps it fresh, allows
Take.
attention to,
Key to scaling your business
you allow to
isn't more
maintain
effort,
attention
it's better
because
systems.
the scene is always changing, so it's engaging, right? Alternatively as well, you can add B-roll as well. So B-roll is just standard footage that can supplement the original footage, so it's not just you talking the whole time. And it has stock footage that you can use as well. So you can see here, if I come here and I play it, you'll see this here, better systems, right? And it's got what systems people are drawing, right? So it's not just always me talking, right? Journey, see, and then you can also replace the actual B-roll image as well by simply clicking on the actual search for an image, all right? So knowing what that particular is, all right? So journey, so I'm going to search for a journey. I can use a GIF or an image. I can upload it, sorry, but I want to look for this image. Replace. I want to travel. I can have a look at that, see what it looks like. Journey, which this one looks more like a journey, so I'm going to apply that. And I'll apply this. Okay, so you can always play it to see what it looks like. Cool. So, and then you can also add your own footage as well, right? So what does that look like? Know what their client flow journey looks like. So I'm going to replace this. I'm going to my B-roll. So if I wanted to upload my own videos, I can. So I'm just going to come back here. I'm going to go to my particular folder of images. So I have a video of me paddleboarding, right? So I'm going to upload this. So you can then have your own B-roll footage as well. So it's not just you. So, or you might just record yourself walking about, and it's good to just have that variety there. which is totally awesome. So I'm just going to apply this. So it's very versatile in what it can do. I'm just going to cancel that for now. Cool. So when you're done with that, I actually don't want this. I want magic zooms instead, right? When you're done with that, the final thing you can do is go to the boost. So what it can do is it has an AI component that can generate a hook for your video. Will make it engaging, right? What kind of style hook do you want at the start? You can regenerate different ones, right? I just want a simple this style, and this will place it at the front. This one mistake could cost you dollars, right? So that's the first thing that they say on the video. Choose a font, all that kind of stuff. You can edit it. The other thing that I really like is it will generate a description for you so that you can post this with your video with all the relevant hashtags, right? If you want to have a cover image, you can, right? For your reel. And then finally, you can add music in here. So you can add what's like from their audio library, or you can upload your own as well. And then once you're done, you just simply export the video, right? You'll export the video, it'll prep it in the background, and then you'll be ready. Once it's ready, you'll be able to download the video and copy the description to post with your video. So that really simple tutorial. I've explained it in a lot more detail. So this process is actually taking longer because I've taken time to break it down for you, but quite simple process. You'll be creating videos really quickly in no time.